So, traders, as we all are aware that we're now in a new week and in a new month, and on today's video I'll be showing to you guys possible direction for the coming week of August, starting from the 4th up and until the 8th. Just not sure of the date. But before we start the video, make sure you like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, and so far most importantly, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And if you guys are looking to capitalize on the 50% discount on our 2-day in-person mentorship course the COT Academy has came up with, then I guess you're going to take my number, my Instagram link, or any source of communication tool that I've left on my description. So you can DM me, give me a call, or WhatsApp me, so we can chop it up, so I can give you game, and so we can have a wonderful trading journey and a great end to the year of 2025. Looking forward to the rest of your life, right? But I'm just be showing to you guys possible directions on 3 trading pairs that we always work on, which is nasdaq, gold, and USD CAD. And the first one will be nasdaq. So let's hit the charts and let me share to you guys and prepare you guys for the next trading week. So when you guys understand that on our previous video I did live in an anticipation with you guys that price is holding a wood, price is holding a diagonal resistance and a diagonal support, and when you look at the overall picture, price is just holding a wood, price is just holding a rising wedge pattern, right? So holding a rising wedge pattern, you can clearly see that how our current price structure is looking based on how we anticipate. If I have to zoom in the charts, you can clearly see that our structure was bullish until price started holding our range, right? Our wedge, right? Holding diagonal resistance and holding diagonal support until price gave us a break below. So with a break below, so when you now guys can clearly see a break below right there, right here, you now can clearly understand that prices gave us a change in direction, meaning our rising wedge has now played out, but it doesn't end here or it doesn't stop here. So as we have marked out this triple bottom support, we now have to be mindful of a few things looking forward to the coming week, because we're simply going to be waiting for confirmation, and this confirmation will be based on us having to understand that is price going to hold above the triple bottom support so we can look for the reversal to the upside, or is price going to give us a break below this diagonal, this triple bottom support, so we can look for those continuations to the downside. That's what we'll be anticipating, and that's why we're going to be waiting for confirmation, because our structure was bullish and we had a bearish reversal pattern. So with price breaking out of our pattern, we now understood that there was no chance that price will continue to the upside but move to the downside. And with a diagonal support marked out, we now can clearly understand that there will be a few things waiting for. If price will give us a fail to break, we're going to look for the reversal to the upside. But if price will give us a break below that zone, then we're going to look for those continuations to the downside. And that's how we're going to keep it on the NAS. Simple and easy to capitalize on. But without further ado, second pair will be gold. And on gold, I just want to tell you guys that gold, there's nothing else that I'll be talking about, because on our previous week I made sure that I made you guys understand that price is holding this support, right? And every time price is above support, it tends to be bullish, and every time price is trading below, there's no way, shape or form that price continues to the downside, but somehow finds a way to continue moving to the upside. So now if I have to zoom in the chart and show you guys, price had a breakout and a break above, price had a breakout and a break above, price had a breakout and a break above, meaning this is a strong support zone. And with that being said, we're simply going to be waiting for confirmation for the coming week, based on us having to understand that price has already prayed out, has already reacted on our support. So with price reacting from our support, the only thing that we might be waiting for now, in order for us to anticipate those continuations possibly, is to see this deeper pullback so we can look for the continuation to the upside, because price has a push. So we might be looking for that exhaustion phase or a pullback, so you can anticipate those continuation pushes to the upside. And that's how we're going to keep it on gold. Simple, uncomplicating, but simply waiting for price to print out then us traders are gonna react from what price is printing out. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, last but not least, we have a USD CAD, and like I always say on every video, USD CAD might be an easy trade, might be an easy pair to trade for this coming week. Let me explain to you guys so you can see what I'm talking about, and so you can also capitalize as I'm looking to capitalize on USD CAD. So, understanding a few things, our structure was bullish, right, and our behavior was bullish, and our patterns were bullish, right? So, with that being said, we now understand our three core values of USD CAD. Structure was bullish, patterns were bullish, and behavior was bullish, right? But understanding that price is a diagonal support and a diagonal resistance, and price was holding our channel. So if price is holding within a channel, you have those buys and prices just trading within the channel until price gives you a breakout. Once you get a breakout, like you can clearly see right there, and this was based on NFP, once you get this type of breakout, the only thing that you might need to focus on before you can put your money to work is to wait for a momentum candlestick, right? And in this instance, we had a breakout of our channel, and prices trading, and prices looking bearish, right? So in order for us to anticipate those moves to the downside, we need to at least get a momentum candlestick below this very same zone so we can look for those moves to the downside. But if we might look to be bullish, then I guess we might look forward for that bullish candlestick, that momentum candlestick that will give us an anticipation of moving to the upside. But let me say this simple so you guys can understand. This is our major zone. Alright, this is our major zone, and with that being said, how price is looking, there will be two things that we'll be waiting for. The first one is we might look to be bullish if price will be trading above this zone, and we might look to be bearish if price will stay below this very same zone. That will be our trade idea for the coming week. Not looking to complicate it or not looking to make it hard for us, bless me, but making it so simple and so sweet so everyone can understand. Price was bullish and price gave us a breakout, and price is holding below our major zone. If we're gonna be looking for those moves to the downside, then we need to at least get a momentum candlestick below zone. But if we're gonna be looking for those moves to the upside, then we need a momentum candlestick to the upside above our zone so we can look to put our money to work. But without further ado, we're gonna keep it the way we keep it on USD CAD: bullish above zone, bearish below zone, and that will be it. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing the video, thanks for the numbers, and thanks for the support. I'm highly appreciative and I'm highly grateful for it. But without further ado, this is King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video.